Nissan's adventure-ready family SUV, the 5th generation Pathfinder, has returned to its go-anywhere roots, introducing a bold, fresh design, major engineering upgrades, and a host of new safety and convenience features. The 5th generation Pathfinder is all new, with every inch of the vehicle carefully designed to convey a sense of strength and capability, including its strong front face, wide stance, flared arches, and a shorter front overhang. While the Pathfinder's overall length has been reduced, its stance has been widened and its height increased slightly to provide more interior headroom, legroom, and hip room. The dimensions have grown in every way that matters, now measuring 1978mm in width, 1798mm in height, and 5004mm in length, and with a wheelbase that measures 2900mm. The clean new design has also slimmed the pillars and delivered a more muscular appearance with flared wheel arches, an integrated rear spoiler, door-mounted side mirrors, and a shark fin aerial. On the side, strong U-shaped highlights fuse the powerful fender blisters together, providing a tough muscular look. In the rear, the wide aspect LED taillights are slimmer than the previous design. The boxed-out boot returns to the boldness of the first Pathfinder, including the oversized Pathfinder name. Even the new aluminium alloy wheels designs have been machined tool-like seriousness to them. New slim line lighting clusters, front and rear, are all LED with active matrix pattern control for the headlights, while the 3-slat V-motion grille pays design homage to the original Pathfinder. The new cabin includes seating for up to 8 and a new captain's chairs option. Available technology features include an all-new 10.8-inch head-up display, 12.3-inch digital dashboard, Pro Pilot Assist with Navi Link and standard Nissan Safety Shield 360, and 9.0 touchscreen with navigation, inbuilt Android, and wireless Apple CarPlay. Cargo room remains the strong point, with the new Pathfinder delivering 205 liters of usable space with the second and third row of seating in place, 554 liters with the third row folded flat, and a considerable 782 liters with both the second and the third rows folded flat. The direct injection 3.5-liter V6 engine, it produces 202 kilowatt power at 6,400 rpm and 340 Newton meters at 4,800 rpm, and now is paired with a lighter 9-speed automatic transmission, replacing the previous Xtronic CVT. A new dual-pinion electric power steering system combined with wide 255mm tire provides stable handling with sporty feel. Stability and confidence is bolstered by Pathfinder's front strut and rear independent multi-link suspension design with front and rear stabilizer bars and 4-wheel disc brake system.